Finding what connects us as humans is fundamental to our growth and development. Tom Ford said it best when he said, "The most important things in life are the connections you make with others." Have you ever noticed how you light up when you connect with someone that gets you? They get you fundamentally on the similarities and inspire you on the differences. Hello, entrepreneurs of the world. I am Yolande Wallace. Thanks for tuning in with us here again at Inspire Academy, where we develop the mind of the entrepreneur. In today's tutorial, the final tutorial in the curriculum, we will be discussing what connects us and how to go about attracting meaningful connections that are mutually beneficial. Your growth starts now. Finding connections that are both meaningful and beneficial is something every human desires. At the core of who we are social beings. We form groups based on beliefs, interests, and culture. However, in business, we form groups not on the similarities, but the differences. Let me explain. In business, the similarities are what separates us. We refer to this as competition. However, the differences are what brings us together. The difference represents the solution to a problem, inspiration, and collaboration. So, how do we make these meaningful connections? I am going to say something radical. Are you ready? My answer is simple. You don't. You don't look for the connection. You share yourself. Share your gifts, your talents, your interests, your products, your services. Be confident in who you are, understanding that you are the solution for someone. Your business and what you have to offer makes a difference. Those in need of your products and services will find you. In the meantime, keep working on improving yourself, your products, and your services so that you can be the best at what you do. I will leave you with a quote by the former First Lady of the United States, Michelle Obama, that says, "Success isn't about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives." Please like, comment, and share this video with everyone you know. Be bold, be great, be unapologetically you.